Hey, how you doing? Good, good. Thanks for asking. Appreciate you.
Do you have any questions?
Oh, no. Thanks, Phil. Appreciate you.
Do you need a map of the area?
Pardon me?
Do you need a map of the area?
No, that's okay. I'm good for now. If I change my mind, I'll let you know. Thank you, no, I appreciate you. So who funds the tourism center?
Who funds it? I mean, like a lot of so we get funding from Destination BC. We get support from.
Is Destination BC a government organization?
It's kind of part of the. Like yes and no. It's part of the tourism industry.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's a lot to do with the government too.
A little bit,
Yeah, okay. And what other funding from who else are you saying?
We're contracted with the district of Tofino.
Okay, so a city.
We also get, so we work alongside the Tofino Chamber of Commerce, and Tofino Chamber of Commerce works with all the little businesses of Tofino.
Okay.
Yeah, so we all kind of, so it's a lot, well, we are a not-for-profit though.
Okay, I see. And who technically owns the non-profit? Like who's the top person, if you don't mind me asking?
Who's the top person?
Yeah, like the
our,
CEO
like
or.
our executive director?
I guess if that's your like the top.
I
Who,
have like, if you want, I can email you all this information.
no, I don't mind if you just say tell on the video. I'll replay it, and it's for YouTube anyway. So.
I really want to be on YouTube though. Like, you don't have my consent to put on.
You're in public, and it's a public funded facility. That's why I was asking you the questions about who owns it.
What's your YouTube channel?
Oh, I don't give it out when I'm working. No.
Well, don't you want that information out there? Maybe I'll follow
No,
you.
the people.
I want to know more.
Yeah, that might be, but yeah, I don't give it out when I'm working.
Well, you are working though right now.
Yeah, that's what it says. I don't give it out because. Yeah, and I publish it, right? So I don't like talk about it or like, things like that.
Want to do that though? Like, isn't it kind of like?
No, because that's what the YouTube channel's for. Like I post the videos, and then that's how I get my subscribers and followers. I don't need to,
Well,
just
I'm
take
a
it.
subscriber.
So,
I'm super keen. I want.
well, trust me, you'll find it. If this ends up in it, you'll find it. chances are it'll be pretty easy to find when I post it. It'll probably be a little while before it gets posted.
So what's your
I got a
name?
backlog. Appreciate you. So what was the name of the executive director you said?
So you can find that all on our website, Tofino.com.
Oh, so you don't want to tell me now?
Well, like, I'm just saying you can find all the information.
Oh yeah, but I was asking you personally, right? Right. There might be some people out there that don't have the internet and stuff, right? So,
Sure.
well, some people are poor, right?
Yeah,
You know
so
what I mean?
Our executive director is Samantha Hackett.
Samantha Hacken.
Yeah, Hackett.
How do you spell it?
Hackett
Hackett? Oh, Hacket
with another T, yeah.
with two T's. It's a nice place you guys got here.
Do you need any information about Tofino or?
No. Like I said, I just wanted to know more information about here, and you've been able to provide that for me. So I appreciate
If
it.
you want to go and like really dig deep, you can go onto our website. It has a lot of great information.
And what's the website?
It's tourismtofino.com.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, you can find like about Tofino. You can learn about us. You can learn about pretty much about the industry if you'd like to learn more about that. You can contact us. You can email us for more information.
Oh, perfect. That's awesome. Appreciate you.
Yeah.
Thanks for all the information, man. That was awesome. It'll help with the people.
No, we're not. This is still
So just for the staff would like to not have you post their
Oh,
videos.
sorry. Sorry, what was your name? Sorry.
The staff here would prefer not to be on social media or for you to post any of your
Right.
videos. You don't have permission to post.
I don't need permission because they're in public, and this is a public. It is a public funded facility. That's why I asked her the questions I asked her prior to her saying what she said, right? Because this is a public funded facility, which means this is open to the public, which means this is, you can't restrict someone who's has the right to film in public, right? So this is public grounds, public property.
Did you get the information of where? Can you
No.
tell me where you're going to post it?
You'll find it. It'll be out there. I don't talk about where I'm put my channel on that when I'm in the middle of working, but it'll get posted. You'll see because the city name will be in the title. So in a couple weeks or so. But appreciate you. Oh, my people are gone. So, anyways, you guys have a great day. Enjoy yourself. Appreciate your hospitality.
Yeah, I'm also just going to take.
Yeah, you can.
That'd be good.
Perfect. Appreciate it, guys. Look at that. Thank you. Thanks for joining in. Oh, appreciate you. Oh, that's okay.
Because I don't think this is true.
It is true. It's very true. No, I just went around the car. All right. Make sure you get the white one too. Are you gonna call the RCMP? Awesome. Tell them I said hi. We've already talked a few times today while I was in the city of Tofino. So, and they'll tell you exactly the same thing they've told everyone else. There's nothing you can do about it. You're in public. If you don't want to be filmed in public, then go to the private sector and get a private sector job.
We have fun.
Yeah, you two have a good one. What was your name again?
Sorry?
What was your name again? I can't remember. It's on the video.
I'm wearing it right here.
Oh, okay. I can't see it. Your hair's covering it. Appreciate it, though. You guys were gold.
Be safe.
All right, be safe. Oh, look at that. You're getting filmed now. He's filming. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. Thanks so much, man. Thanks for joining in, man. We need all the support we can, man. All the people defending our rights. Really appreciate you. Awesome, man.
You just be immature at this point, right? About it, right?
Here we go, girl. Here we go, guys.
With a video, you know, you could just been a normal tourist in there with a camera, and you guys are complaining and whining like a children over it. Well, you clearly are, because you had to take my plate number and all this other stuff. Oh, I'm sure.
I'm not part of this.
I know the difference between sarcasm there,
I'm
miss.
not part of this at all. I know, but I'm not.
Well, let's get her, guys. Let's get her. Let's get her up close. There we go. She's going to make a great thumbnail, guys. She's going to make a great thumbnail. Look at that. All that crazy ass hair with that crazy attitude. She's going to make a great thumbnail, guys. All right, guys. Well, this is me, man, signing out from Tofino. All right, it was a crazy one. Violated rights and once again by a sergeant over there. So we'll be filing some complaints there and stuff like that. But man, I tell you, man, these Rcmp, they really got to do something. And I'm telling you, if you guys, any one of you want to pick up a camera and go, and if you're on the island and want to go to that municipal building and check it out and see if you get that same reaction I do, right? You know how the sergeant's going to react, so you know what to say, right? And if any of you guys, you know, feel like I was done wrong and that the officers there were wrong and the sergeant was wrong, you know, give them a call at the Tofino Police Rcmp detachment and yeah, let them know your thoughts. Until next time, guys, I'm out.